Durham, North Carolina pressure washing. If you are trying to find expert pressure washing in Durham, North Carolina, this video explains everything you need to know about picking the best company, understanding the process, and achieving outstanding results for your property. We've worked in all areas of Durham, North Carolina, from busy streets in downtown to quiet residential neighborhoods, ensuring our team leaves every property clean and sparkling. Our crew is experienced in tackling tough debris, grime, and rust on industrial sites, power wash equipment, and construction zones throughout the city's diverse landscape. From sidewalks and driveways to patios and decks, we restore exterior living spaces for homeowners in Durham, North Carolina, creating safe and inviting areas for relaxation and recreation. We've worked with local businesses, property managers, and government entities across Durham, North Carolina, providing reliable pressure washing services that enhance curb appeal and support community pride. Our team uses state-of-the-art equipment to ensure a thorough pressure washing job in Durham, North Carolina, effectively removing dirt and grime from homes and businesses. By working together, our team of professionals is able to tackle even the toughest cleaning jobs in Durham, NC, ensuring a safe and healthy environment for residents and visitors alike. From residential properties to commercial spaces, we understand the importance of timely and affordable pressure washing services in Durham, North Carolina, helping maintain property values and curb appeal. At Pressure Washing Durham, NC, we understand that a clean community is essential to our city's charm. We're proud to serve neighborhoods like yours in Durham, NC, helping to maintain the curb appeal of your home. By partnering with local residents and property owners, we provide affordable solutions for exterior cleaning needs, making it easier for you to show off your hard work and dedication to this great city. Our team takes pride in serving Durham, NC's residential neighborhoods, making sure homeowners can enjoy their properties without the burden of dirty sidewalks and driveways. We've worked with numerous commercial clients in Durham, NC, including businesses along Main Street and Brightleaf Square, helping them maintain a clean appearance that attracts customers and boosts sales. Local governments often overlook some areas, but we take it upon ourselves to pressure wash Durham, North Carolina's underappreciated spaces, like parks, playgrounds, and community centers. As a Durham, NC resident, you might not realize the impact of dirty outdoor areas on property values and health. Our team is dedicated to educating and serving this community. Get a sparkling clean exterior and protect your property with professional pressure washing. Boosts curb appeal, removes dirt and grime, and prevents costly repairs by cleaning away hidden damage. If you're looking for pressure washing in Durham, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help with your exterior cleaning needs. Get a free estimate and schedule today. Click the link below to learn more.